How to redeem a Fortnite code. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Fortnite code to unlock awesome rewards like skins, vbucks, and more. Let's get into it. First things first, you need to have your Fortnite code. You can get these codes from physical card packs, special promotions, or emails from Fortnite partners. Make sure you have the code ready to go. Next, open up Fortnite on your preferred platform, whether it's on PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or Switch. You'll need to be logged into the account where you want to redeem the code. Once you're in the game, simply head to the items shop tab. You'll find this in the menu. This is where all the cool skins and cosmetics are, but it's also where you can redeem your code. Now in the item shop, look for a small button or option that says redeem code. On PC, it will be in the bottom left corner. On PlayStation or Xbox, you might have to press a specific button like L1 or LB to bring up the redeem code section. Simply go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the redeem code section, you'll see a prompt asking you to enter your code. Simply type in the code exactly as you received it. Make sure to double check for any typos or missing characters. After entering your code, simply hit the redeem button. If the code is valid, you should see a confirmation message telling what you have unlocked. It could be a skin, emote, or vbox, whatever the code was for. And that's how you redeem a Fortnite code. Super easy.